Top 15 Digital Products to Sell Online 2024 edition. Number 1. Customizable website templates. Number 2. Premium stock photo packs. Number 3. Online video course on a specialized skill. Number 4. Graphic design software plugins. Number 5. Digital marketing strategy consulting service. Number 6. Premium WordPress themes. Number 7. Social media content creation services. Number 8. Web development tutorial bundles. Number 9. SEO optimization services. Number 10. Virtual event planning masterclass. Number 11. Premium ebook on industry insights. Number 12. Digital business plan templates. Number 13. Customized branding packages. Number 14. Online fitness coaching program. Number 15. Subscription based industry reports.